Hello guys, this is SP. Welcome to Tech with SP. Hi, let's know how to create audio spectrum in Filmora X. Wow! So this is the sample that I have tried. So let's know how to create audio spectrum in Filmora X. Music with yes. So yeah, open that link and you can see musicwith.organize site and open monster bar visualizer. That's in the third point. Yes, that's one. And image will be up here. So let's load file from computer. So I have taken audio. That's your wish. You can take any audio. And open particles. Open particles of yes. Okay, now the particles will be gone. And yes, let's rename the text tag with SP. Yeah, and let's take it in the middle and let's once check the audio file so we can get an idea of the text where to place. Yeah, let's okay, first let's create no, yeah, it's right, correct, in the middle. By your audio spectrum will change up and down. If you take a high recorded audio, the big music, it will be always upwards. Take a music in the middle, the music rap, the middle all mixed, then it will be correct for up, down, yes. And let's rename subscribe. Yeah, there are two parts of text. I will delete one part. Yeah, okay. And now let's put okay, first let's increase and decrease the size of the subscribe text. I want to take it same as the line point near the tag with SP text. Yeah, go to export, type your file name and press encoding, then the file will be exported to your device. And let's add this sample audio spectrum video. Yeah, green screen border. Yeah, I will take the first image and see that the two video spectrum and the image should be the same timeline. Go to blending mode and select screen. Now let's take it to the side of the video and select another green border, and I want to select the another image. Green border. Oh no. Yeah, it's been exported. And don't forget to watch my green screen video. Then you can know how to create chroma key. Yeah, let's take the image side and increase the size. Yes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, chroma key. Let's increase the offset, decrease the tolerance a bit, and increase the edge thickness. I want it. The border should be the thick as small as you can, but not more thick. Yes, and we have taken the double image, the second image. I want to keep the border to the second image. So after these Filmora tutorials, I will show you in VSDC and OpenShot. Yeah. Yes, it's okay right now. And let's yeah, for audio spectrum, I want it big upwards. So I have cut the 3 to 4% of the video because it's like slow down a small music tune. That's why. And let's take the all images and the videos in the same timeline. Yes. And guys, don't forget to download the new version of Wondership Filmora and VSDC. Yes, I think the audio spectrum should be near to the second double image. Oh, yes, yeah. We want the audio spectrum near to the second double image. Yes, yeah. Now let's check it. So I want it in the 4K version. Yes. Then I want to add transitions. It's for graphics like, and I want to add effects. So first let's add dissolve, fade. Yeah, it will be a different one. Wow. Yes. Yes. Oh. And let's go to effect and add cyberpunk. Did you see the difference, guys? If we add cyberpunk, it's changing by our color. If we take the image into the red, so it will change into slight red. Have taken the blue more image, so it is changing to the blue and it is bright. Wow, I liked it. If you liked it, like the video. And wow, yeah. Oh, and let's take alpha into 71. No, 71. Yeah. Okay. And now it's amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.